Imagine this. An 18th century sailor named William Lewis takes a bullet to the face during a bar brawl. Doctors can't remove it, so it just hangs out in his sinus cavity. Fast forward 2 weeks and out of nowhere, he sneezes. Achoo! And that bullet shoots right out of his nose. This wild story from the 1790s shows just how powerful a sneeze can be. So, how did this happen? His sinus cavity basically decided to kick that bullet out like a bouncer of those tossing out troublemakers. It's a reminder that our bodies can be surprisingly heroic, even when it comes to snot. Next time you sneeze, just but think. You might be clearing out more than just dust. Like and follow for more.